I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook.
So today we're going to be giving you an overview of how to replace a brake caliper on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a rear brake caliper, and this is just an overview video, but it should give you all the information you need to know in order to replace this piece. And this Grand Cherokee is a 96.
Okay guys, and the tools you'll need for today is a breaker bar and a 19mm socket. You don't have to have an impact. 3/8 ratchet with a 13 and 15mm socket. A flathead screwdriver, of course a jack stand with a jack, and you may need some new brake fluid along with your new caliper. So with all that said, we'll go ahead and begin today's project. Okay guys, now the first thing we're going to do is we got to lift up your car, and a good place to do that is on the center piece right here. It's going to be that guy right there, center. You'll lift both wheels up off the ground, and then you can place a jack stand right along there on that piece. Also, we're going to go ahead and remove our wheel, and mine's already been removed, and it's 19mm lug nuts. Remove your lug nuts, and then we'll be looking at what you're seeing right here. Okay guys, and the next thing we're going to do here is we're removing this caliper and you're putting a new one in. So what you'll want to do is take your flathead screwdriver, reach in, and we'll kind of compress back, and what that's going to do is it's going to compress your piston, and then you have a 15mm bolt back here. It's sitting right, let's see, right there, and behind that bolt there's a copper washer, and then you've got the metal thing there, and then behind the metal thing there's another copper washer. And so you're gonna move this bolt completely while this guy's kind of still sitting here, because you'll be able to use your ratchet there while it's still sitting on here. It's kind of hard to do after the caliper's already off. And then from there, we've got these two 13mm bolts, the slide pins. You're gonna go ahead and remove those guys, and then once you've got that removed, this bolt removed, and this line removed, you'll be able to kind of pull up on this guy. You may want to take your flathead screwdriver, reach in behind here, and kind of pry on either side, and then you'll be able to completely remove this guy. And installation is pretty much the reverse of the removal, except if you're using a new caliper, you're definitely gonna have to bleed the brakes. And basically the way you do that is there's a bleeder valve right here. You open this guy up, you have somebody depress the brakes, and then you close it, and then the person lets up on the brakes, and you wash, rinse, and repeat that process quite a few times. If you want to see more in-depth video of showing you how to do that, do a YouTube search for Fixbook Bleeding Brakes. Watch that video, it'll show you how to bleed brakes. And also, if you get one from the junkyard, you're not going to have to do as much bleeding if you keep the fluid in there. It's going to be a little bit easier, but you're still probably going to have to bleed it regardless since you're opening up the system. So it's a pretty simple process, guys. So that's pretty much going to conclude today's little project, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you would like, subscribe, comment, and all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.